That thing's pretty neat, man.
They take a little oil to get my finger.
Well, went and did it again, and I got another toy. Here we go. This is a Bolens 1050 little garden tractor. We're gonna make this a project and try and get it running and use it around our half-acre of land here. It's got a pretty neat little rig. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I didn't even think about that. Alright. Well, I flipped the seat up. It's got pivots on a hinge so that I can get to the bolts, and now I'm removing the bolts for the seat so I can pull the fender off, because I have to try and lift the back end up off the here to get the mower deck removed and slid out, and then I can roll this off without bottoming out on the mower deck. So that's what I'm working on. Got a couple extra pins, and it looks like the choke knob, so that's cool. We put a couple floor jacks underneath the rear axle here to get it up in the air, because I'm trying to figure out how to get the mower deck down in here removed from it. So I'm going to try and get down under here to see the drive shaft to see if I can get to that and how that disconnects. And then once we have the drive shaft disconnected, then we can probably pull all the pins that lock it, the mower deck, to the actual bottom of the mower. So that's what I'm working on. Well, as you can see, sorry for the jumbly mess here, but you can see there's the universal joint that runs back. So I got to figure out how to get this off. It looks like there's a bolt right back here, but I'm kind of hoping it'll just slide off and that it's shaft driven on the other end down there where it goes into the actual drive differential there, the little diff that's right back here underneath. You can see where the drive shaft goes in. So that's what I'm trying to determine. I think I can just pull these pins. There's one here, there's one right over there, and there's a couple on the other side. And then the only other thing, trying to see if there's the drive linkage on the other side I might have to pull off. But other than that, I think that's all I need. So that's what I'm going to work on. All right, at this point, it looks like the mower deck should be loose. So now I just got to figure out a way to finagle it out from underneath the machine. That should be a whole another ball game. All right, finally got the used the Ripa and got this pulled off. The rear differential has a locking pin that is seized so the rear tires don't turn, so I had to drag it off. I inflated the tires, got to looking at it. Looks like the guy gave me 2 different size tires. I don't know if they're different size rims or what. The tires are in terrible shape, so I'm probably gonna have to replace those, along with, as you can see, it's a big project. Got a lot of stuff I gotta clean up. You can see it's pretty crusty all around. You know, it's got a lot of like the steering wheel is split in multiple spots, so I'll probably have to find a new steering wheel, and hydraulic lines look like they're leaking and brittle. All the contacts, everything is really corroded. We got wires that are literally deteriorated and falling off. There's no battery. I gotta get a battery for it. You know, looks like the choke is completely broken off. I don't know if that's the choke or what that is yet. Lights or what. I don't know what it is. Throttle, something like that. So then, but everything else looks to be here. I got the fuel tank in the garage. It's the original metal one. It's got a little muffler somebody put on it. Hydraulic pump. Pretty neat little engine, and you can see it turns, which means it's not seized, so there's hope for this thing yet. It's got a little drive belts, but then it's got the PTO down here for the mower, as well as you can put attachments on the back, I believe, for hydraulic. You know, you can lift like a tiller on the back, that kind of thing. But all in all, pretty neat little Bolens 1050 here, so I'm gonna have fun. Well, I'm currently cleaning up the deck, the mower deck for the tractor. Looks like everything's here. It's got the 3 blades. Woohoo! Well, stay tuned for the latest project. Should be fun to film and show you guys the progress. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you later.